So Jake's been getting a lot of questions since he's been helping us do this changeover from Ricochet to Consign Cloud, which is why did we change from Ricochet to Consign Cloud? What caused that to change? Because from the vendor perspective, Ricochet was working great. So why did we do this? It seems like a really difficult and challenging thing for us to undertake as a store, and that is true. It's been challenging for everybody. But there are a lot of reasons. The first being that Ricochet was bought out last year by a credit card company. And since then, our rates to use Ricochet have increased and their customer service has gone down. And the services that they're providing us for that increase are none. So we're getting the same product for a higher cost. Now, the other big thing that Ricochet really was difficult with for us is when we would ask for feature enhancements, which we would do pretty often, and say, hey, we want to see this. For example, when an item scans at the register but it's not in Ricochet, we want a big note that says not in the system. That way we can make sure the vendor gets paid for their item instead of the item just not getting scanned in and the cashier not catching it. We also had other issues with items being duplicated on Shopify. We had a big incident last November when we couldn't use Ricochet at all. And I called them multiple times that same day. I emailed them. I never heard back from them. So that was really the straw that broke the camel's back for us. And that's when we started researching to see what would be a better option for us. And that's how we came upon Consign Cloud. Now, I know it's been difficult for you guys to get into Consign Cloud and start learning how to use it, especially because you're so used to Ricochet. But I really believe that once you understand how it works, you are going to like it. It's so much easier to search through your inventory, especially with the filters and the bulk editing that is inside of Consign Cloud. You'll be able to edit your inventory very quickly. You'll be able to find your Christmas inventory very quickly. You'll be able to see what merchandise you have on Shopify very quickly, all just by using the filters. So I know it feels like kind of a chaotic time right now, and you're really questioning, like, why did we do this? We have our reasons, which I explained to you. And there are more. Those are just the ones that are like top of mind, most pressing for us as a business. So I think that Consign Cloud moving forward is going to be a really great option for us, and we don't ever plan to change away from it. So fingers crossed that they continue to be as good as they have been. They're very communicative and responsive to the issues that Jake and I are bringing up to them, and have been very helpful in making us a priority and allocating all of their resources to making sure that all of your inventory is correct, everything on Shopify is correct, and if there are issues, they're helping us correct it pretty quickly. So far it's been a very positive experience working with their team, and we hope that it continues to be so. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions.